Alam niyo, ayoko nang ma-stress kasi parang pansin ko, every time I get stressed, doon mabilis mag-age ang skin. Feeling ko yung mga pores ko, naglalakihan sila, tapos nagsasag yung skin ko. Kaya nataranta ako sabi ko, oh, I have to be extra with my pore care tonight kasi kailangan nating agapan yan. Ginagamit ko ngayong clay stick is from Skin 104. Ito yung Poremizing Quick Clay Stick Mask. And it's pink! It's my favorite color. Damihan natin sa T-zone. Iwanan ko lang to for a few minutes and then let's do the second step of my pore care routine. Okay, going back to our pore situation. Actually, nagulat ako na nabasa ko yung ingredients nito kasi meron pala siyang mga anti-aging benefits. Akala ko for pore tightening lang siya. This is the Skin 104 Poremizing Fresh Ampule. Meron pala siyang 9 peptide complex, like 9 different peptides. And those peptides work together to calm the skin and improve pore elasticity. Kaya naman nakaka-help siya to prevent signs of aging. Diba, nasabi ko na to sa inyo before, pero hindi ko alam na meron pala siyang anti-aging benefits. And those 9 peptides help your skin produce more collagen and elastin. And those two things, nakaka-help yun para maging firm, smooth, and bouncy yung skin mo. And of course, to complete my pore care routine, I'm going to seal this with a very light gel cream lang para hindi mag-clog yung pores natin. Kasi I believe talaga, yung mga heavy moisturizers, gel cream, ayun yung mga nakaka-clog ng pores. So this is what I'm going to use right now, yung Poremizing Light Gel Cream ng Skin 104 as well. So, ayan, super light lang din ang gel cream ko. It's really nice to have a pore care routine kahit once or twice a week, kaya rin na para syempre maalagaan mo naman yung mga pores mo. Sobrang dali nga nung pore care routine ko like 3 steps lang siya. Clay stick, ampule, and gel cream. And can we talk about the color? This is my color, pink. So, that's it for my night pore care routine. Tayo ay matulog na kasi ang sleep, anti-aging din yan, okay? Good night.